Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. I am going to proportion with you guys the way to make cash on YouTube without recording any films, so I have carried out this in the beyond and am nevertheless doing it, so I made hundreds and hundreds of greenbacks with this method, so I really endorse you guys in case you are inquisitive about on how to make cash on YouTube without recording any motion pictures to watch this video till cease, and all I ask for this statistics is to press this like button in case you clearly enjoy the video. Subsequent component, in case you're new to my YouTube channel, ensure to press that subscribe button because we're releasing everyday films in this channel on the way to make cash online, the way to make cash on YouTube, so you do not need to miss that out. So ensure to press that subscribe button so men permit soar immediately into this video. So what are we going to analyze in state-of-the-art video, and that I desired to show you guys earlier than we began speak approximately how to do it exactly step by means of steps. So I'm going to show you guys in contemporary video. First, the first rate niche, and I'm going to show you men the example channel due to the fact that is going to explode in month 4. So after you this blew up, I definitely propose you guys to be there, because you are going to get a whole lot of perspectives. And this man that I am going to percentage with you men is a new YouTuber, and he is making tons and lots of cash without honestly recording movies. So he's making around 1,000, 2,000, 1,500 bucks according to day without certainly even recording films. So I'm going to expose you men additionally that today's component is going to share with you guys how the way to get the ones videos due to the fact you can't truly use any motion pictures on YouTube. So I'm going to expose you men a way to do it, and additionally I'm going to show you guys how to download them due to the fact plenty of you men do not know the way to do it. Third issue is I am going to men the way to monetize them, and 14 is I am going to reveal you men how to get first perspectives. So quite a few you men are struggling to get Letty first 1,000 subscribers, because it's miles definitely hard to develop your YouTube channel if no one knows which you exist. So I am going to show you, I'm going to share with you men a way to sell your YouTube channel without cost, and it's far genuinely clean. To achieve this, you'll grow your YouTube channel to, let's assume, you 1,000 subscribers certainly quicker. So let's bounce straight into this video, men. So first thing I endorse you guys consume to is to create a sparkling new YouTube channel in, because why I usually recommend starting fresh new is if you, when you have a tape vintage YouTube channel and you've got published something awful inside the past, let's say some copyrighted video or video with copyrighted song, and also you obtained copyrighted claim, or shall we embrace you receive copyrighted strike, so that you don't want to start with a copyrighted channel or strike channel due to the fact you want to start in reality smooth. This is, I think, the most critical component about YouTube. And second component is maybe you have published something awful in commonplace selections, so your remarks are getting ghosted while you publish them. So that may also happen. So what I can do is I will begin with fresh new YouTube channel. This is my concept, and when you have some YouTube channel with few thousand subscribers or 1,000 subscribers and you recognize that you didn't do whatever awful, you can use that channel. However, in case you are not sure, make sure to create a clean new YouTube channel. Second component is search for YouTube form downloader. So just type this in a Google seek and you're going to see heaps and tons of software program that you can use, but I definitely use this one, so online video converters. So basically I use this software simply to download motion pictures from YouTube. So just go on a video which you need to and download it, positioned it right here, and click on begin, and you are going to download the video which you wanted. However, you cannot actually use any video and download any video for your movies. I'm going to reveal you men exactly the way to do it. So next component is I'm going to reveal you men the nice concept for making a living on YouTube proper now without recording any films. So that is going to blow up sincerely virtually fast. So you need to be truly speedy, because this idea is all obviously Apex Legends. So this is the game. This is blowing up like loopy proper now, and its miles going to be bigger than Fortnite. So as you realize, guys, there are lots and lots of channels which are importing for tonight videos However, right now APICS legends are going to take their area, so that is the channel that I wanted to speak about. So right here you can see just 1 week ago this channel, he had 30,000 subscribers, and proper now they've 50,000 subscribers. And right here you could see they said that they had grown 30,000 subscribers in 3 weeks. However, that isn't always all. When you see how many perspectives they're getting in keeping with month, you could see in 1 month they've got almost 50,000 subscribers and 11 million views. So let's consider they get 3.00 according to 1,000 views. That would be $33,000 with a month without recording their films. So what they surely do, men, they post some compilation videos of epic legends satisfactory moments, or you can see the names or of their motion pictures. So what I truly advocate you men is to test maybe their channel. You may see their videos are 10 minutes or longer, so they are able to place extra commercials of their movies. That is why I am pronouncing that they are getting $3 in line with 1,000 views. So perhaps they get a little bit greater, but let's say they get $3 in line with 1,000 views. So right here you may see the video that they've published 3 days ago has 700 perspectives. So essentially this video goes to explode even more in the future. So I really propose you men to start doing this, due to the fact you are going to make numerous money in case you get a lot of viewers like this. So there are not a lot of channels like this. There's a one channel proper now that is doing the equal thing. It is known as Red Arcade. So basically they are also importing Fortnite videos. However, they are trying to activate Epic's legends due to the fact they recognize that they are going to make tons and tons of cash. You could see why Fortnite is killing proper now, but Epic's legends are going to overtake. So here you could see in a single week this video were given 7.4 million perspectives. So you cannot even imagine how what number of perspectives this channel is going to get. So this is one of the examples, and just to expose you guys, just go on YouTube for this night and you're going to see lots and tons of movies around across the compilations that I pointed out. So I in reality recommend you to check that out. So Red Arcade is getting 48 million views according to month, which is if we say their films are 10 minutes. So let's consider they get 3 times 50, so that would be around $150,000 in line with month without small YouTube channel. This isn't absolutely a small YouTube channel, however, that is my wrong, but the preceding one is surely slow, absolutely small, and it's miles going to develop even greater. So that is really how to make money online on YouTube without honestly recording your videos. So the most important element is how you are going to download the movies that you may use to your YouTube channel and monetize them in order that is largely Creative Commons, so that you can seek on YouTube. And what you need to do is you need to click on Filter Out and click in this button proper here, Creative Commons. So here you can see Diesel. These are all of the movies which you can absolutely use on your YouTube channel. So you can download the videos with YouTube Download that I simply show you guys, and simply paste the video hyperlink in that software program, and you'll download those movies. And numerous you guys are going to say this doesn't paintings. So in case you go on Google and type Innovative Commons YouTube, you're going to see a policy of YouTube. So here you can see that you could use definitely this Creative Commons movies and in fact make cash from them. So I suppose this is simply loopy due to the fact you are the use of different people's content material to make money, and in go back they may be getting promotion from your channel. So when they watch your videos you will promote them because they may be going to show up in those films. So that may be a win-win state of affairs, and that is why some of the creators pick their channels with innovative remarks due to the fact they're going to additionally get promotion from you. So 15 is what you wanted to do is you need to download 5 to 10 movies. I've just proven you men the way to search for Creative Commons videos and create compilations. So basically just like this man that I showed you men that has 50,000 subscribers, he is getting a few funny compilations, epic fails, and something like that in this sport. So you can do the equal thing, or you could create the exceptional moments or pinnacle 10 moments, and that is what people definitely like looking. So you're going to get that way heaps and lots of viewers and subscribers. 16 is you want to create thumbnail with Canva. Just go on Canva.com. It is virtually smooth to do. I surely recommend you man this software, and actually it is unfastened too. Use next factor, which you wanted to do is, you need to add those movies in your YouTube channel, so once you upload those compilations you need to sell your videos, and I'm going to expose you men. Also the way to do it, however, the aiding is how to promote your videos, and this is the usage of remark selections. So I have performed, I've shown you men in my previous video on a way to sell your channel with comment choice. So the way you need to do it, just pause on YouTube, look for a video with lots and tons of perspectives. Let's say this video he has 1.2 million perspectives, and what you need to do is you need to submit something. Hello, super video, I actually enjoyed it. And what you need to do is you need to say, in case you are absolutely inquisitive about compilation for Epics Legends, you may take a look at that out on my YouTube channel. So you, whilst you publish that, in case you need to create fuel, you need to apply some other YouTube channels, and come here, click on type by means of, and click on most up to date, so that you're going to appear the newest remark, and once you post that remark you will see him here first. And what you want to do is you need to like your personal remark, and while you do this with, shall we embrace 5 or 6 or 7 YouTube channels, you're going to rank your comment in top of comment choice. So this clearly works like crazy, and I'm doing this every day. I need to say that is how I've grown a few of my YouTube channels, and it really works, guys. It 100% works. So that is how you may promote your YouTube channel in comment choice, and you want to say something pleasant, approximately creator. So in case you understand this man, you want to inform him something fine, high, a first-rate move, I virtually revel in looking your movies. And then you definitely need to say, if you need to check that out on my YouTube channel, I've an epic Legends compilation video or something like that. And the final step is, after you reach 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you want to use for AdSense. So it's miles the best manner. I think it isn't always the quality, it's far the very best manner to make money on YouTube with AdSense, because you do not do something, you simply run advertisements on your YouTube channel so that you could observe for AdSense. You could do it with 0 subscribers. You need to have 4 hours watch time and 4,000 hours, watch time and 1,000 subscribers. So if you do not have this, you cannot apply or AdSense. However, you will reach this definitely speedy, because I have shown you men exactly how you can grow your YouTube channel, how to get perspectives, subscribers. So right away you're going to reach these if it methods, in case you do that nicely. So guys, as a way to be it for modern day video, if you are virtually extreme, approximately earning profits on YouTube, if you need to do it, if you need to analyze for me how I am doing this home sport, making lots and tons of cash on YouTube, you can test that out. The hyperlink may be in description. I have a course in which I train you men could make with a small YouTube channel $1,000 in step with days. So you can do these, just check to test this. Hyperlink in description out, it'd be first link in description. Thank you guys for looking, see you quickly.